To turn on or off notifications in the car app, start by locating and opening the app on your device. Once opened, you will see various sections at the bottom, including search. Click on the search option, which will direct you to a search bar where you can type in the name of the car app. After typing, you should see the app as the first option, possibly with an ad displayed above it. If you haven't already, download the app, then exit and find where it has been installed on your device. Upon entering the app, you will see options at the bottom, including search, messages, and your profile. Select your profile, and from there, you will see multiple sections such as ratings, notifications, emails, and SMS messages. Choose the notifications option, which should be the second one. Here, you will find settings for person notifications, email, and phone number. Under person notifications, you have the choice to allow or not allow notifications to be sent. Additionally, you can opt to receive news or messages via email. This process should help you manage your notifications for the car app effectively.